Hello friends, good morning. So today I am going to talk about the 4G 5G communication networks. So in which we are going to see about the network evaluation. So of course these are the contents are in the presentation, the objectives, syllabus, course outcome and followed by chapters. So the course objectives, we know that to learn the evaluation of wireless networks and the fundamentals of 5G networks in associated with the 5G architecture design and the frequency sharing and trading, and finally the security features in 5G network. So in which I'll talk about the unit 1, that is evaluation of wireless networks. So network evaluation, 2G, 3G, 4G, evaluation of radio access network, need for 5G, 4G versus 5G. So these are the four contents that I will going to present now. So in today's technology has become a most important thing in the real world. So of course we know that the 4G is booming now, and very soon the 5G is going to implement in all over the world. Since it has more number of access, speed, the frequency, the bandwidth, everything is comfortable with the 5G technology. Most of the people are going to use the 5G technology very sooner. So with the penetration of smartphones and the application of services, so we have many applications, that is booking of cars, transferring money, ordering food and booking of flight tickets. These are some of the applications that are going to be done by the smartphone. So in which we are having speed, so we can avail most services online. Nowadays the live streaming is very important, and most of the things have been under live streaming. For example, the sports, if you take the sports, the cricket matches are being live streaming in the phone itself, mobile phone itself. So people are used to watch live streaming through the mobile itself. So these are the things are made the 5G technology to be implemented. And before getting into the 5G technology, we must know the past, that is the history of the network evaluation. So that is the first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation, and now the fifth generation is in era. So regarding the first generation, it was beginning on 1983, in which only voice calls were allowed. So no other facilities were given in the first generation, especially the SMS or networking or browsing or using memory like that. Nothing is available in the first generation. 1983 it was started, and after 10 years, nearly 10 years, 1992 the second generation was implemented. In the second generation, along with the voice call, the SMS, email services are also included. So when you come to know the 2G, we know that there was a political issue at the time of the 2G spectrum, and then after 10 years, nearly 2003, the 3G was implemented. In the 3G, along with both the facilities of first generation and second generation, the web browsing is also included in the third generation. Now getting into the after 9 years, that is 2012 exactly, the fourth generation was implemented, in which with the facilities of all among the third and three generations, the video and online gaming is also implemented. So nowadays most of the mobile phones are having online games. So now the people are used to play the online games. So they are having the bandwidth speed, the frequency level does not getting into the delay. So the technology is having more number of speed. That is for the fourth generation. And 2018 around, the fifth generation was implemented, in which the autonomous cars, augmented reality and virtual reality, even IoT is also coming under this type. So let us have the great detailed explanation of these all four generations. First generation, Motorola Dynatec phone. So this is the type of phone which were used in the first generation around 1983. So it was mainly implemented by the Motorola company. So it does not have any other options except the voice calls. The second generation global system for mobile communication was implemented in 1992. That is obviously we are knowing it as a GSM, because of which we have the facilities of short message services. So 2G offered a wide range of compared with the 1G. So it is having the network switching subsystem, base station, all those things. So the GPRS also included and with an internet protocol in the 2.5G technology. Next one is the third generation. As I mentioned earlier, it is ideal for web browsing. So the Android mobile phones were implemented up to 2 Mbps speed was given at the time of this 3G network. The Universal Mobile Telecommunication System has standardized the mobile speed as well as the bandwidth. So this is the architecture of the third generation. It consists of a core network and a radio access network in which the data and internet facilities has been mentioned. So now coming to the fourth generation. So these are some of the facilities were available in the third generation. Authentication center, serving GPRS support node, gateway GPRS support node, GGSN, SGSN, AUC, charging gateway function, CGF. All those things have been available in the third generation. In 2012, the fourth generation services were launched and its speed was up to 12 Mbps. It has a facility of internet protocol with a long-term evaluation, that is LTE. So 3GPP standards and a core network is based on the EPC. So this is the architecture diagram of 4G network. So after the few things, let us getting into the 5G network. Thank you.